Leveraging predictive analytics to forecast demand has become one of the most powerful tools for online arbitrage sellers in 2026. Instead of reacting to the market, top sellers now use data-driven forecasting to predict what will sell, when it will sell, and at what price, giving them a massive competitive edge. Predictive analytics uses historical data, buying patterns, and machine learning to forecast future demand. These insights allow you to make smarter sourcing decisions, manage inventory efficiently, and avoid costly stockouts or overstocking. Let's start with how it works. Predictive tools like Smart Scout, SOStocked, and Helium 10's Market Tracker collect sales data from marketplaces such as Amazon and Walmart. They analyze price fluctuations, sales rank history, and seasonal cycles to identify patterns. From there, they generate forecasts that estimate future sales volume, allowing you to plan inventory purchases in advance. AI models are also getting better at understanding external factors. They can account for social media trends, economic conditions, and even weather patterns that affect consumer demand. For example, if AI detects a spike in online searches for home office accessories or health gadgets, it can signal upcoming demand before the products start trending on marketplaces. Predictive analytics also helps optimize pricing strategy. By studying how competitors adjust prices and how customers respond, AI can forecast the most profitable price points for specific products. Combined with automated repricing tools, this ensures you're always maximizing profit while staying competitive. For restocking, predictive systems track your sales velocity and supplier lead times to recommend reorder dates. Instead of guessing when to replenish, you'll know exactly when to reorder to maintain stock flow without tying up unnecessary capital. This precision saves money and keeps your account performance healthy. Another advantage of predictive analytics is identifying product life cycles. Every product has a growth phase, a peak, and a decline. Forecasting models can show you when to scale up on fast sellers and when to exit before competition floods the market. This helps you stay agile and avoid holding dead inventory. You can even integrate predictive analytics with sourcing automation. Imagine your tactical arbitrage searches adjusting automatically based on forecasted demand, prioritizing products expected to surge in the next 30 days. This type of automation is becoming the new standard for serious arbitrage operations. Data visualization tools like Power BI or Google Data Studio can help you turn your forecasts into actionable dashboards. You'll be able to see which categories are trending, which SKUs are at risk of running out, and which products deserve more investment. In 2026, predictive analytics isn't just for big corporations. It's accessible to every online seller. The combination of AI forecasting and automation allows you to make decisions based on evidence, not emotion. You'll buy smarter, restock efficiently, and scale confidently. The sellers who thrive in the future aren't just reacting to demand, they're anticipating it. By leveraging predictive analytics, you can see around corners, position your business ahead of trends, and build a system that keeps you profitable no matter how the market shifts.